Hey friends, if you encounter the error application made too many requests 0x80860010, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I checked for it on the Microsoft Answers forum and the main solution was a WS reset. And I'll tell you why it will work, because basically they're asking you to restart the app and you are resetting the whole cache. You're deleting the cache and then restarting it. So here's the thing. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will delete the cache and restart Microsoft Store. The next one is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then finally select restart. And if it doesn't help, then the issue is with the server. You will have to wait. By the way, we can also check the Microsoft server status here online. Okay. Go to portal.microsoft.com service status and then check the status of the Microsoft Store server. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.